everyone. I, Sushil Yadav, one of the staffs of Radiant Study Junction. Today our students are going to speak some of the definitions of science and history subject, and I request you to encourage their work and support them. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Syed Darib Ahmed, student of Radiant Study Junction. Today I am going to tell you about Indus Valley Civilization. Indus Valley Civilization is also known as Harappan Civilization. Harappan was the first site to be excavated. Thank you.
Myself Damavarti, student of Radiant Study Junction. Today I am going to perform on history. History divided by three parts: prehistory, proto-history and modern history. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Harsh Kumar Singh, student of Radiant Study Junction. Today I am going to tell you about archaeological source material. The study of remains past of archaeology is called archaeology. These remains including tools, weapons, articles of daily use, coins, buildings. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good afternoon, my name is Soumya Kuswa. I am the student of Radiant Study Junction from class 6. I am going to tell you about time frame in history. History is divided in three times periods: prehistory, proto-history and history. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Santana Sarup, student of Radiant Study Junction. Today I am going to tell you about civilization, a stage of human society where people have organized social system and social development. Thank you.
Hello everyone, a very pleasant evening to all of you. Myself Aditi Singh, student of Radiant Study Junction from class 6. Today I am going to tell you what is history. The word history came from the word historia, that is a Greek word. It means that learning or knowing by inquiry. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good evening all of you. My name is Sohan Sola, class 6, student of Radiant Study Junction. I will tell about the invention of the wheel. The invention of the wheel was an step towards progress. The invention was the step to the stamina of the string on the log or a stone. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello everyone, myself Harshal Singh, student of Radiant Study Junction of class 4th. Today I am telling about habitat, the place where an organism naturally lives are called habitat. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Hamza, student of Radiant Study Junction. Today I am going to perform of leaf effect. The tip of leaf is called leaf apex. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Singh. I study Radiant Study Junction from class 4th. Today I am telling about aquatic plant and terrestrial plant. Plants that grow and live in the water are called aquatic plant. Plants that grow on the land are called terrestrial plant. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Zubia, student of Radiant Study Junction. Today I am going to speak about photosynthesis, the process by which plants make their own food using water and carbon dioxide in the presence of light and chlorophyll. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Yash Yadav, student of Radiant Study Junction of class 4th. Today I am going to tell you about leaf stalk. The part of leaf that attaches to the stem or branch of plant is called leaf stalk. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Devat Tiwari. I am the student of Radiant Study Junction of class 4th. Today I am telling about chlorophyll. A pigment that gives green color to the leaves is called chlorophyll. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Mr. student of Radiant Study Junction of class 4. Today I am going to tell you about definition of lamina and veins. Lamina, the broad flat part of leaf is called lamina. Veins, tube-like structures on the leaf is called veins. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Saman Pandey. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Salenta Sarup, student of Radiant Study Junction. Today I am going to tell about what is a germination. Germination, the process by which seed grow into a baby plant is called a germination. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sanskritani, student of Radiant Study Junction. Today I am going to tell you the definition of agriculture. The practice of growing crop on large scale in field is called agriculture. Thank you, have a nice day.
Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Sir Dubey, student of Radiant Study Junction of class 5th. Today I am perform what is the function of seed coat. The seed coat protect the seed and baby plant inside it. Thank you, Dhanyavad.
Hello everyone, my name is Shreya Pada, student of Radiant Study Junction of class 5. Today I am going to tell you about habitat. The environment where organisms live in and reproduce is called its habitat. Different organisms live in different habitat. They obtain food, shelter, air and water from their habitat. Thank you, have a nice day.